Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you how to wash pillows correctly. With regular use, pillows become dirty, they become stained with sweat and saliva, pillows also accumulate dirt and grease that are transferred to them from your hair, various products that you use for hair care, dust mites and dead skin cells. Although at first glance only yellow spots are visible all over the pillow, as in my case, but in fact the pillow can be really dirty, but we can't see all the dirt. As you already understood, I will wash this pillow, and I also have two pillows like this. They are not so dirty, but there are still yellow stains on them. The method that I want to share with you today is very simple and really effective. The first thing you should start with is to check the information on the label. Usually the manufacturer writes the basic rules for caring for your pillow there. In addition to the pillowcase, I always put a protective cover on my pillow, therefore I take the pillow out of the cover and will wash only the cover. This pillow is stuffed with filler. It has a zipper, so I will take out the filler and wash only the cover. But don't worry, what I show you will be able to wash pillows. In one wash in the washing machine you can wash one heavy or two light pillows. So the next thing we need to do is prepare a cleaning solution. Take a spray bottle and pour 100 ml of hydrogen peroxide into it. Next, add 1 teaspoon of dishwashing liquid. It is better to take transparent so that it does not leave stains on the pillow. Now take your pillow and spray it well from all sides. You need to wash your pillows regularly, and in the summer you need to do it more often. Because of the summer heat, people start to sweat more, and at night the sweat is absorbed into pajamas, sheets, pillowcases and of course pillows. Some studies have shown that a pillow can harbor 17,000 more bacterial colonies in a week than a toilet seat. Due to the increased humidity, fungi appear in the pillow, due to the dead skin cells, dust mites, and all this can lead to allergies or problem skin on the face. Therefore, if you want to avoid all this, wash your pillows and bed linen more often in hot weather or when you sweat a lot. After you spray the pillows, leave them for 30 minutes. The pillow stuffing should be left in direct sunlight during washing. Periodically fluff it up and turn it over. Now it's time for washing. I put the pillow covers in the washing machine. If you wash pillows, then put them in the drum of the washing machine. For washing pillows, it is better to use gel, and preferably one that does not have a strong smell. Since my pillows had a lot of yellow stains, I poured oxygen stain remover into the powder compartment. Pillows should be washed on the synthetic cycle. Set the temperature to 40 degrees Celsius. Set the spin to the maximum for the selected washing mode. And be sure to turn on the additional rinse. After washing, shake the pillows well and distribute the filling as best as possible. Dry the pillows in the open air, shake them and turn them over from time to time. My covers are completely dry and I have already put the filling in them. Look how snow white the pillows are. All the dirt and yellowness have washed off very well. So friends, if you want to wash your pillows, use this advice. If the video was useful, like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in other videos.